Hello, I'm Teacher Matt. Today I'm going to show you how to use Ventures Arcade. It will go along with our book, and it is a good way to practice English. First, open your computer and go to the internet. You can use Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other internet web browser. Today, I am using Google Chrome. Next, search for Ventures Arcade. VENTURES space ARCADE. Ventures Arcade. Then hit enter or return. After you search, you should find Ventures Arcade from the Cambridge.org website. Click it. Here you will see the Ventures Arcade website. You can choose your level: Basic, Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, Level 4, and Citizenship. Let's start in Level 1. Then you can choose your unit. Let's start in Unit 1. Here you will see different lessons and activities. Let's start with Lesson A, Personal Information. Click it. Now you will have a series of activities which you will need to practice. The first activity says, "What do you see?" Personal information. Match the picture to the correct word. These are the instructions. See the picture. This picture says Ricardo. That is a first name. So click first name. Here the picture has something circled. 1041 Main Street. That's an address. Click address. When you finish an activity, go to your checklist. I will print the checklist for you, and it looks like this. It says Ventures Level 1 Arcade Checklist. Or, if you're in Level 2, it will say Ventures Level 2 Arcade Checklist. Write your name at the top. Then look at the activity you just completed. This says Level 1, What do you see? Personal Information. Type the date you completed it, then type your score. You can see your score at the top right of the page. If you want to try again to get a better score, you can. After you finish the entire unit, I will check your work. Thank you, and keep studying.